Hello everyone, my name is John Melisondra, and today I'm gonna show you the 5 basic tutorials on how to start acrylic painting. So the first thing you'll need to know is on how to make your own canvas. As we all know that most of us buy canvases from art stores, galleries, or even bookstores. On this video or tutorial, I'm gonna show you on how to create your own canvas. The advantage of making your own canvas is that you can actually save some money because you're gonna need um, more budget when you're still practicing or when you are a beginner, because you're gonna need more paints, more materials in order to do that, and you need to save more. That's why I am urging you to use all the cheap materials like making your own canvas, cheap brushes, and cheap paints. And if you want to watch the full tutorial, just click the link on the above or on the description box so that you can watch the full tutorial on how to create your own canvas. The second one is practicing on how to mix. So as we all know that I am using limited colors here, 5 limited colors exact to be exact, and I am using the titanium white, the tallow blue, the brilliant red, the medium yellow, and black. So this time I am using black, but on my new videos I am using the raw umber, which is similar to brown. And I'm using black here because black is a neutral color which is similar to white. Black and white are neutral colors, and yellow, blue, and red will be primary colors. So basically I am using um, Hansa yellow or primary yellow, primary red, or taro blue or primary blue. So we can actually choose which one you like and which is usually close to the primary colors. By using the primary colors and the neutrals, you can mostly create most of the colors that you need in order to paint some landscapes, still lifes, or even portraits. It's almost complete. All the colors are there, but there are some also exceptions. There are some colors that you cannot really get, like brilliant violet or something like that. So actually it's hard to create that, so you're gonna need to buy one if you want, but you can still create similar to that. It's not as brilliant as it should be, and my advice to everyone is to try to mix as many colors as you want. So in that way you can learn how to create colors, discover colors, and you're gonna have your own interpretation of every colors when you try to mix it to the other. The third one is blending of colors. So on this tutorial I have 3 ways on how to blend acrylic paints. So the first one will be the wet on wet, the second one will be wet on dry, and the third is glazing. If you have some more techniques, you can actually comment below, or you can actually try that on your own. So as of now I am using these 3 techniques, which is very common to most of the artists. And if you want to try this tutorial, just click the link above or on the description box so that you can practice your own color blendings. The fourth one will be color mixing to match the reference. So if you are painting from the photo or other reference, or if you have your own photo and you can paint that the exact colors as you want it to be, you can do this tutorial also. It will teach you on how to create those colors, to match those colors using only the 5 primary and neutral colors. And actually this will be a really hard job, especially we're using those limited palette, limited colors in our palette. And even me, I have a little struggle on doing this, but when you practice mixing or matching those colors, you can actually do that. Well, and if you need more other colors which are brilliant than mixing, you can try also like securing your own violet or buying a violet, because violet is really hard to match, and you're gonna need a brilliant violet into on doing that. Okay, so if you're gonna try this tutorial, you can just click the link above or on the description box. The fifth one will be how to paint lights and shadows. So this will be the a little advanced in those previous four. On this one, I'm gonna practice how to create objects and make it look realistic, like a simple circle, simple triangle, and even simple squares. I'm gonna create it into 3D or three-dimensional with some lights and shadows and some reflections. So this tutorial is really important if you are a beginner, and this one is a good practice. If you want to try this one, just click the link above or on the description box if you want to try to follow this tutorial. Okay everyone, so I think that will be all, and those are the basic tutorials if you are a beginner and you have never been touch any acrylic paints or any brushes. And I recommend those tutorials if you want to try acrylic painting. It will not be easy at first, but you can do it. I can do it, everyone can do it. Just do more practice. That is my only advice. Keep practicing, keep painting. The more you do it, the more know how to use your brush, how to mix the colors, how to create those things that look realistic, and the rest will be all up to you. So again, thank you everyone for watching this video today. I hope you get something out of this, and God bless you all. All the glory, honor, and praises always belongs to the Lord.